Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn some transformations, specifically enlargement and reflection. In this question we're supposed to draw a square. A square has got four sides with those coordinate points using a graph. From there we enlarge the square using an enlargement scale factor of 3, center 9, -4. With the image given, or the image we get from Roman 1, we can also use the same image to find a second image and a reflection in the line x equals to 0. So let's start. The first thing we do is that we plot the points A, B, C, D on a graph. In this case, we are going to use a tool called GeoGebra to plot those points. To plot the points, we'll come to the polygon tool, click on the polygon, and start plotting the first point, which is 6, -2. Then plot the second point, which is 7, -2, plot the third point, which is 7, -1, and plot the fourth point, which is 6, -1. From there we join A to D to make a complete square. So in that square we are going to enlarge that square from a certain point, and the point is 9, -4. So we plot the point, click on the point 9, -4. From there, after plotting the center of enlargement, we'll come to the transformation tool, click the transformation tool, and click dilate from a point. Dilate means enlarge from a certain point, and the point is 9, -4. So after we click dilate from a point, we click the object first and then click the center of enlargement. From there you'll see a dialog box that instructs you to put the enlargement scale factor. And in this case, the question has given us an enlargement scale factor of 3. After typing 3, we click OK. There you go. You've got the image. So to differentiate the image from the object, we can change the color of the image to blue. In the second question, we are asked to reflect the first image. This is image 1. And the line x equals 0. X equals 0 is the y-axis. To get a second image, A prime prime, B prime prime, C prime prime, and D prime prime. So let's come back to the GeoGebra. We click the transformation tool, reflection about a line, click the object, and in this case our object will be image 1, and then click the line of reflection, which is the y-axis. There you go. We have now the second image, and in the second image also we can change the color to differentiate from the first image, and in this case the color of this image could be changed from blue to that color.